Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup marketing automations in ActiveCampaign safely, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your marketing automations in ActiveCampaign safely, begin by logging into your ActiveCampaign. Navigate to the Automations section in the main menu. Locate the automation you wish to backup. Click on the automation to open it. In the top right corner, look for the Options drop-down menu. Select Export from the available options. A pop-up will appear to confirm the export process. Click Confirm. Your automation will be exported as a JSON file. Once the export is complete, download the JSON file to your device. Store the file in a secure location on your computer or in cloud storage. To ensure the backup is safe, consider encrypting the JSON file. You may also want to create a labeled folder specifically for your ActiveCampaign backups. Regularly repeat this process to keep your automations updated. If you need to restore an automation, go back to the Automations section. Click on the Import option in the menu. Select the JSON file you previously backed up. Follow the prompts to complete the import process. Be sure to test your imported automation to verify it functions correctly. This method ensures that your marketing automations are secure and easily recoverable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.